Lots of the points in description of the flamingo require additional facts because flamingos are actually unbelievably interesting creature. They are honestly really good creature and have a number of traits unique among birds. The greater flamingo birds in large colonies of the coasts of the Atlantic Oceans and Gulf of Mexico in tropical and subtropical America. There are two subspecies of the greater flamingo, the Caribbean flamingo and the world flamingo of America and southern Europe and Asia. The Chilean flamingo is primarily an inland species. Two smaller species then live high in the Andes mountains of South America, the Andean flamingo and the puna or James flamingo. The former has a pink band on each of its yellow legs, and the latter was thought extinct until a remote population was discovered in 1956. The scarlet long-legged flamingos are found in three major species groups in the West Indian region. Great Inagua being one of them, the more than 5,000 birds inhabiting